Hello, welcome to Vintage Cookbooks and Crafts. My name is Barbara and I have collected cookbooks for over 50 years, and I'm slowly going through and trying recipes out of the different cookbooks that I've collected. And today I am going to be doing this 1981 Garden Way Cooking with Honey, and I'm going to make honey banana bread. So I'll clear this off and measure my ingredients and be back shortly. Now I have everything measured. I mashed the bananas and beat the eggs, sifted the flour and baking soda together. In here I have 1/2 cup of oil, vegetable oil. I measured my oil in the cup first, that's why the 1/2 cup is already in the bowl, and then I measured my 2/3 cup of honey. And that way, with the oil in the measuring cup, it releases the sticky honey easier. So I'm mixing together the oil and honey. It says clover and basswood honey from Hinckley, Minnesota. Good stuff. Okay, after the oil and honey get blended, it says to add the eggs, and this is 3 beaten eggs. And after the eggs is blended in with the oil and honey, it says to add the mashed bananas. That's three ripe mashed bananas. My bananas were very small, so I put in 4. A little less than 4 because I cut off some brown spots. And this is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I need a teaspoon of vanilla. And the mashed banana. Mixing that up, and then we will add the sifted flour, which is 2 cups of either unbleached flour or whole wheat pastry flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Get that flour that's sticking down there. It says blend until batter is smooth. Grease a large or 2 small loaf pans, and I'm going to use 2 small loaf pans. is grease a large or 2 small loaf pans, pour in the batter, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the size of the pan. Lower the temperature if the bread is browning too quickly. So I'll let that mix a minute while I take this out of here. I'm just eyeballing it, trying to get them a little even so one doesn't cook faster than the other. There. Now I'll put them in the oven at 350, and because they're such small, the oven is preheated for 350. Because these are such small pans, I'm going to lower it by about 10 degrees and then bake it for about the 40 minutes and check it to see if it's done. And when it's done baking, I will be back to show you the honey banana bread. The bread is out of the oven now. I ended up having to lower it to 325 because it was starting to get a little browner, and the toothpick was still bringing up moist batter. So it went about 50-55 minutes. So I'm going to cut a little piece here. I'll cut a few pieces because then my husband can come down and butter it while it's still warm. That's the way he likes it. And I'd like to give a shout out to the wonderful woman who did a special order for this apron for me, and she sells her aprons on eBay. And I will, if you're interested, I will leave a link down below. She has all different patterns and fabrics to choose from. She really is talented. So I think I'll take a little taste of one of these pieces. It got a little bit darker toward the bottom than the top. It kind of blew up like a volcano. Very moist. Just a slight honey taste to it. I think that's a winner. Even though it looks like it browned a little more toward the bottom, that bottom was still as moist as the top section. It was very good. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my honey booklet from Garden Way and watching to see the recipe for the banana bread made. And try the recipe and then leave a comment down below to let us know how you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Subscription is free. It just means that YouTube will notify you when I put up a new video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and will try the recipe for yourself. Goodbye for now.